So I just wanted to do a quick little update on the things that I put on the bike, kind of what they look like. We got the SWMOTEK luggage carriers, so you can get an idea of what they look like on the bike. They don't really stick out too much. I think they look nice. They kind of fit the lines of the bike really nice. The Madstab Windshield, I did notice, comes with this mounting plate. It kind of rattles a little bit, so it needs some washers behind it. Let me see if I can make it rattle. It'll do it over bumps sometimes. Yeah, you can hear it a little bit, so it probably just needs some rubber or polyurethane bushings or washers behind it, just a really thin one, just to keep that from rattling. Doesn't rattle all the time, just over some bigger bumps. Get an idea of what it looks like with the top case on it. I also got this SWMOTEK tank bag with the quick release. Looks a little odd with the beak, but it works really good. I really like the quick release. Fits a lot of stuff. You put your wallet in there, get a cherry Coke for your ride, sunglasses, house keys, whatever. Got the shad top case and the add more light bar. Finally got that fully installed. I just went ahead and put some screws into the I guess the tail piece or the tail rack here, and used the bracket that it came with. It's nice and secure. Routed the wiring up here with some zip ties. Comes down around here, another zip tie, and then into that grommet under here where it's wired in. Just get another look at the bike here. I think that looks pretty good. Anyway, I guess that's just an update. I wanted to be able to give a little bit of a look of what it looks like so far. So I still have to put on the engine guards, the LED lights. I bought some Denali lights that will fit to the forks. I also got a USB port for there, the switch for the LED lights. Got the bar risers in, they work great. Yeah, so we'll just give it another little once around. I will tell you that Madstab windshield works out nice. I think I found a really good angle, keeps the head buffeting down, reduces the wind noise tremendously, which was my biggest issue. So, all right, well, I'm gonna take this out for a little bit more ride because it looks like rain's coming.